Hello guys, welcome back to SURYA TECHS. In this video, I am taking you through the evolution of Apple headphones, so stay tuned. Apple's original earbuds shipped with the original iPod, released on October 23, 2001. They were never given a formal name and were referred to variously as iPod headphones and the iPod's earbud-style headphones. They were bundled with two pairs of foam covers. The second generation added a plastic slider to allow the user to limit the gap between the wires. iPod in-ear headphones were introduced in January 2004 as premium headphones compared to those bundled with iPods, and were available for $39. They included 3 different sized plastic caps, and Apple claimed improved sound quality and bass response. They were discontinued in 2008. The iPhone stereo headset was introduced in 2007 and was bundled with the original iPhone and iPhone 3G, and featured a control capsule inlined with the right earbuds wire with a microphone and a single button, actuated by squeezing the unit, which can be programmed to control calls, presentations, music and video playback, launch Siri, or take pictures with the camera application. The iPhone Bluetooth headset was introduced in 2007, priced at $129 and later reduced to $99, and discontinued in 2009. It was designed for phone calls only and could not be used for listening to music. It was bundled with a travel cable that charged it and a 30-pin iPhone simultaneously, and a docking station called the iPhone Dual Dock that could charge it, and an original iPhone was also available. Apple in-ear headphones were introduced on September 9, 2008, intended as a premium option compared to Apple's bundled earbuds. Like the regular earbuds, they have a remote control and microphone built in. They added silicone ear tips and dual drivers which enhanced acoustic accuracy, balance, and clarity. Apple earphones with remote and mic were introduced in 2009 and were bundled with the iPhone 3GS, iPhone 4, iPhone 4S, the third generation iPod Touch, and sold independently. They expanded on the iPhone stereo headset by adding 2 other buttons dedicated to volume control. Earpods were introduced on September 12, 2012 and feature a redesign with no silicone tips, less visible metal, and a plastic outer shell. They first shipped with the iPhone 5 and feature a remote control and microphone. They are compatible with iPhones from the iPhone 3GS to iPhone 6S, the iPod Touch, 2nd generation, and onwards, and all models of the iPad, iPad mini, and iPad Pro, except the 3rd and 4th generation iPad Pro. Airpods were announced alongside the iPhone 7 and were released on December 13, 2016. They are wireless earbud-style headphones with microphones, dual accelerometers, IR sensors used to pause music if they are not in the user's ears, and motion touch sensors that are used to activate controls. They are advertised as having a battery life of 5 hours, and come with a charging case that gives them a total of 24 hours of battery life. Airpods are compatible with iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, Macs, the 6th generation iPod Touch, and the 7th generation iPod Nano, iOS 10, and watchOS. They are also compatible with devices on other platforms that support Bluetooth, but it limits the AirPods' functionality. AirPods Pro were released on October 30, 2019 as a premium option compared to AirPods. They use the same H1 chip found in 2nd generation AirPods, and boast a slimmer design, active noise cancellation, adaptive EQ, IPX4 water resistance, a new charging case with QI standard, and include silicone tips. Apple released AirPods Max on December 15, 2020. AirPods Max features an over-ear headphone design. They use the H1 chip, which is also found in the second-generation AirPods and AirPods Pro. AirPods Max, like the AirPods Pro, come with Apple's active noise cancellation technology for blocking outside noise, and transparency mode for listening to sounds around you. The digital crown, similar to that of the Apple Watch, allows users to play a pause audio, control volume, skip tracks, control phone calls, and activate Siri. Proximity sensors automatically detect when they are on a user's head and play a pause audio accordingly. Spatial audio uses built-in gyroscopes and accelerometers to track movement of the user's head and provide what Apple describes as a theater-like experience. Apple claims 20 hours of battery life, with a 5-minute charging delivering 1.5 hours of listening time. AirPods Max are charged via the Lightning connector. Apple provides a smart case for storing the AirPods Max. AirPods Max is available in 5 colors: space gray, silver, sky blue, green, and pink. AirPods Max will be compatible with iOS 14, iPad OS 14, Watch OS 7, TV OS 14, and Mac OS Big Sur. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. Hope you liked the evolution process. If you enjoyed the video, by any means a sub to my channel would be highly appreciated. This is Suryajit signing off from SURYA TECHS.